Hello everyone, welcome back to the second video of the repair of this frequency counter. On this video I will cover the repair of the direct count bird since I've just received the drop replacement of the bird. So this is the bird that I have received. So let's put this aside and see the current behavior, and then see if the substitution of the bird will make the change. So let me power it on. As you may have noted, as soon as I have switched on, there was a light indicating DIR, direct, that should be lit up when the frequency on this input and selected from this side is below 225 megahertz. So I'm going to switch on the frequency generator. So signal generator is set to 50 megahertz, 50 millivolt, no count. If I rise to 250 megahertz, as you can see, it's counting correctly. So if I go to 500 kilohertz, no count. So let me switch on everything and replace the board. This is the inside of the instrument, as you may have seen in the other video. If you have not seen, I strongly suggest to see it, otherwise it will not be really clear what I'm doing. So this is the original board, and let me push a little bit backwards. And this is the replacement, right? So as you can see, there is different trimmers and different bolt. Well, actually I prefer the original one. Actually is original also this one, but I believe is a more modern instrument, the donor instrument. So let me drop in and see what it does. This is a lock mechanism. Okay. Let's put this aside. Power on. Okay, at least this bird, no magic smoke at the moment. Doesn't make any magic smoke, since it's an old one, so it's not brand new. Okay, I switch on the frequency generator. Oh, look at that, it's working now. 500 kilohertz, and as you can see, we have direct count indication, and it's 500 kilohertz. Very beautiful. So let me increase to 25 megahertz. Perfect. So let me go to 225 megahertz. Should still stay on direct count, and it does. So let me increase to 230 megahertz. Still on direct, so maybe change a little bit higher. Maybe it must be tuned. Here there is the the point where it switched from direct to heterodyne mode. So let me increase to 250 megahertz, and it changed, and now it's in heterodyne mode, and it has locked the frequency as expected. So now it's fully functional and perfectly working. So let me move to the other counts. Yeah, still need to be fine-tuned. I actually have performed a small portion of adjustment, not at all, but now all the problems are fixed. Let's see, we should see overflow. Yeah, it's better than before, but still need of course to be warmed up. It's just a few minutes that the instrument is powered on, and as you can see, is dropping down the frequency indication, and once it has reached the right temperature and everything is close, it should be very close. So let me close the instrument, let it warm up, and see what indicate. The instrument is completely closed, and as you can see, it's dropping down the frequency, and I have seen that it takes about half an hour to reach the point where it's stable and can work for several hours without any drift. It's still dropping down. However, this is the maximum extent of count. It's quite precise if you consider the age of this instrument. Moreover, the capability. If I go to 1 gigahertz, of course, go back to overflow. Look at that, 1 gigahertz. Unfortunately, this is the maximum frequency that I can reach with my signal generator. Soon will come a more capable signal generator, but for the moment I think it's enough. Well, actually, okay, so here is the count only for frequency higher than 250 megahertz, and if I go down to, let's say, here we have a minimum 100 kilohertz. 100 kilohertz. So let me put it on the maximum extent. So look at that. This is the hertz. In this column we have hertz, so it's spot on. Very precise instrument if you consider that this instrument has been manufactured on 1973 according to the date stamped on the internal ICs. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you like it and you have enjoyed the time that I have spent on this repair. Don't forget to subscribe. I will post many other vintage equipment repair videos soon. So I hope you have enjoyed again, and see you soon. Bye.